Hi, this is Sharon from Project Portfolio Office, and I'll be introducing you to inline editing in PPO. With fewer clicks, inline editing provides users with a faster, more intuitive way for maintaining their data in their list pages. I'm going to demonstrate three different use cases of how valuable this feature can be, starting with my project list page where I have a requirement to update the phase of a couple of projects. You'll notice by clicking on the editable pencil, it places the row in a editable mode, so a single or multiple fields can be updated. So if I change the phase to executing and click on the next row, that row goes into an edit mode. I can quickly change this, and on realizing after I've made the update that that record shouldn't have been updated, I can click on the cross, which cancels the update, puts the row back in a view mode, and I can update the project manager of my next record. And on the submission, this will save all of my data in a single click. The next use case is for maintaining the issues that are assigned to me. So here's an example of a couple of issues that are assigned to me, and I'd like to quickly update the priority of the item. So this is now high, this one is medium, and I also want to reallocate this to a different resource, and making those changes to two different fields in a single action on more than one record is done at the click of a button. The final use case that I want to share is specifically for status reporting updates. Project managers that are required to maintain their health indicators based on their data quality frequency that's set, either 7, 14, or 30 days. You can see that I can click on the pencil. The row is in editable mode. I can change the rag. What's also visible to me is the previous rag. So I can see the previous rag, which is a calculated field, was red. I can change this update. I can also update my commentary, move to the next record, change this one, and submit. On submitting this information, all my updates are made, and you will notice in this example, calculated fields are always visible to you regardless of whether you're in a view or editable mode. And the one other thing which is an added advantage is that regardless of whether you've included columns, dependent columns, or required columns in your view, if you click on a row, automatically required columns are automatically added, as well as dependent fields. So in this case, phase and status are dependent. I've not specified those as columns that I wanted to update, but they're visible to me, and I can also maintain the dependent field if necessary. Hopefully you find this a useful feature which will make your user experience much more efficient in terms of performing your updates. If you want to see other videos like these, which include enhancements, new product features, please remember to sign up to our blog by visiting our blog page, putting in your email, first name, last name, click. That will ensure that you receive a regular update of any product news that we have implemented. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this useful.